John Bonias, owner-operator, CASA Exteriors, CASA Tax Deed Education course. Thank you for visiting the page. If you're here to get a free estimate on your home, we'd be more than happy to meet with you. We are available weekends and evenings. We'll send out one of our representatives. He'll come out there, measure up your home, and leave you with a free written home estimate that is good for 30 days. We do provide 0% interest financing for up to 18 months with zero down with approved credit. We're local and from San Antonio, and we hope to gain your business. As I said, you can feel free to set one of those appointments up by giving us a call at 210-767-CASA and speak with us there, or you can set up here on the website. If you are an investor or if you're a homeowner that's looking to be an investor, CASA also provides education and training and an online course for buying tax deed properties at any tax deed auction here in the great state of Texas. We also do that as well too for investors or potential investors. So we can help you acquire homes, teach you how to do that at the lowest prices possible, but then help you on the back end of that with rehabbing the properties, and then pick what we want to do with them, whether that be turn them into rentals or flip them or sit and hold. A bunch of different things that we provide here. But at CASA, I take a lot of pride in doing work right for homeowners. If it's just simply a rehab we're doing for you, or working with investors that are looking to get that financial freedom and get some properties under their belt. We certainly love to help with that. After you buy properties, one of the hardest things that we come across is rehabbing. Well, we help to do that. And if we can't do it for you, we at least help to educate you in what rehab processes you should expect, and cost expectancy as well on these rehabs. Anyways, I hope to hear from you guys. You can always reach out to us for either one, whether it's CASA Tax Deed Education or CASA Exteriors at 210-767-CASA. You can feel free to email me as well. And we'd love to come out and meet with you. John Bonias, CASA Exteriors.